Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video. So today I'm going to show you how you can add a container and add a hover effect to it. So to start with, just go to box and add a container at the end of the box. Then we'll give this any color like this or like this color, blue color. Then you can add or enable the hover effect by click on get started, and now we can add image or something on hover. We'll add a text here. We'll give it a white color and center alignment to it. We'll rename it to hello everyone. Okay, so on over we'll give it a different background color. Yeah, and we can also choose the effect, hover effect basically. So currently it's none. We can add a grow. We can also customize it like to where from where it should come from, bottom, upside, right side, down, like this. From this direction, I'll put it center. We can also shrink, skew, combo. And we can add components. You can add customization to it, more customization to it. So now I will show you how it looks. You can design it in a better way. Just did not design I have made here, but I wanted to show you how you can do this. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching this video.